So today you're going to learn a little something different. I'm doing things with squares because it's an easy stitch and you can do a lot more things with squares, and for beginners I think this is a great way to get used to stitching and the way the plastic works and the way things are. So this is another idea if you want to do something with the squares. So as you see here, I did two tones. I did white and blue. So you'll basically do your squares. So for here you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's going to be 10. So you know you're going to make 10 squares this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you'll have 8 squares this way. So your tissue box, or if you want to make a real pretty box, this could be the lid to your box. And it could be, you know, maybe this size. And then you just put your lid on there. So, and then you put little tiny X's and it kind of gives it a little fancy look. So this gives it a more detailed look and it looks a little fancy. So, and I always leave a little piece because if you notice, the back looks as good as the front. Over time you'll learn. So what I do is I leave a little stickies out on the side sometimes when I'm working, so I know which is the back and the front, because you don't know how many times I've started on the back side and then realized it was the back size. So you're going to start in your corner and you're going to pull this through. Okay, and what I mean by leave a little out is leave a little here. And I always tell everybody to do another stitch because the string 10 over time pulls through to eventually, you know, wear and tear and tissues and boxes go in and out, it comes out. So that's why I always recommend to do a little loop with the stitching. So I just run it under the last stitch somewhere nearby and then pull it. So that way over wear and tear time, it doesn't come undone. So now the X's are in groups of 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then skip, and then 3, and then skip, and then 3. Okay? So you're going to start here, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. And that's basically all you do. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. And then you just basically keep going until you get to the corner, and then you 1, 2, 3, and then it goes the same for the other direction. So basically once you get to the corner, so let's say we've gotten to the corner, you want to finish off your string because this strand is almost gone. What I do is I would run it through and then run it that way and then pull it through so that it kind of secures it. So you're going to start here and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. And then of course your string will start to kind of, so just stretch it out a little and go back to 1, 2, 3. Oh, if I could hold on to it. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes my eye and hand coordination is not that good. 1, 2, 3. there you have it. So you can use dark colors, you can use light colors. I did the bright one as a template to show you the way it will look really pretty, and then this is a little bit darker color, so if you if you're an Alabama fan or an Auburn fan, you could do these two colors, gray and red for Alabama and blue and orange, 1, 2, 3 for Auburn. So you can make an Alabama and Auburn one. And then you just keep going until you've completed it. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. It doesn't matter. Now if you want the X's to cross over a certain way or whatever, I don't really, 1, 2, 3, I don't really pay attention to which way it crosses over. But if you want it to all overlap a specific way, then just always remember which way the under and which way the over goes. And then you just keep going down the row. 1, 2, 3. And then every now and then let your string loose. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you just keep going. And now that my string is coming to an end, I'll probably run it this way, but not all the way, and then loop it around, and then go all the way out that way. So now that it's secure, so, and then all you have to do is cut it. Start your new string, and there you have it. So now you have blue, gray, or any colors. But I really like the white with different colors because it makes the color that you choose pop. So, can you see that? Hopefully you can see that very well. And then here's the gray. So, thanks for watching. Enjoy. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.